The upcoming Patta x Nike Air Max DN8 is shaping up to be one of the most transformative takes on the DN8 model, with European retailers already updating listings ahead of its September 1st release. Retailing for €200, the sneaker introduces bold updates, such as layered construction where glossy patent leather overlays reveal gray mesh underneath. The design also features a fresh cutout toe box at the forefoot, an S-ring detail linked to the laces, and a striking gradient midsole that transitions from white to black. Co-branding elements from both Patta and Nike further emphasize the collaboration's exclusivity. Currently, only European release details have been confirmed, with US availability still pending. This drop highlights Patta's innovative influence in reshaping Nike's Air Max DN8 aesthetic while elevating performance-driven design with contemporary streetwear appeal.